Matcha? Mamata? Oh, really? Oh, okay. This is the best school in the world. And your daughter will be the best in the world.
I see. Go over there. Go.
He's super smart. Read with 2 glasses.
What the hell?
Hey, teacher Kelsey, did you have chicken this morning?
Why are you asking?
Because you KFC.
No!
Chicken.
Teacher KFC, not KFC, not chicken.
KFC.
Happy birthday to you. Next letter. Blow candles. Please make a wish. In your country, you never have cake before. So, taste it. But, you know, like, you're better on your friends. What do you want to eat, like, this one? Something. But, is it dog? Something? Oh,
What's going on to my school?
Martha hit her friends and her friends was injured in hospital.
What's going on? What's wrong with you? It's the best school in the world. Did you see? See it.
You need to do something, director.
I want to kick her out.
Yes, kick her out. 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 Kick her out.
Get out!
Okay, guys, let's continue. Page number. Sorry, what's happening?
They're trying to talk to me.
Yes.
Okay. Again, what did you say?
Nothing.
This is children.
And then
Stand up, please.
No.
You stand up. You stand up. Told you stand up.
No, again.
These two, they are going to stand up until the end of my class. Okay? They are showing a very bad behavior.
What's going on?
The new student named Mata. She hit my friend and tried to hit us.
Really?
Yes, teacher, you saw it?
I wasn't there in the classroom, so I cannot tell.
That's Mamata.
Yes.
Yes, with the visitor.
Bring that Mamata.
I got it.
What's going on? What's wrong with you? It's the best school in the world. Let's see.
Mr. Director, can we hear her out? What's her reason why he did that?
Yes.
Happened inside the classroom?
Is like the student in the class bullying me first. They take the cake and then put all over my face.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
อีกนาน